Logitech G604 Lightspeed. I think it's the best mouse for the multitasking experience. Let's unbox it. Bam. Sticker, manual, warranty. Tons of buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 buttons. Wow, I like those side buttons on the wheel. I'm using them as a copy and paste. Very easy. There's a battery hole, battery department. All right, all you need to do is just slide it. And how quickly, it's not trolling me, how quickly did we change that battery? Very quickly. Try to do that with the not removable battery now. You won't be able to charge that quickly. Is it charged anyway? Do we have some juice? Oh, we do. Blue light means okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's a fantastic mouse, especially when your hand is on the mouse, because if you buy a 9 series, which is a little, it doesn't have that height, and this part of your hand, it's not lying on the mouse. This is a different story. Very comfortable. It is very comfortable in your hand. Nice clicky buttons, whatever. It is a really good mouse for multitasking. All those buttons can be manually assigned to whatever you like. I love it.